Hello everyone, my name is Advik Bharatwaj. I am in Senior KGB section, Goldenbee Global Banagatta branch. World Paper Bag Day is celebrated to raise awareness about paper bags. It is celebrated every year on 12th July. Using paper bags reduces using plastic bags. They do not cause pollution. Using paper bags are natural and biodegradable products. Paper bags are friends of the environment because they are made from trees and can be recycled. If we use paper bags carefully, we can reuse them again and again. To reduce pollution, reuse paper, recycle paper bags. Happy World Paper Bag Day.
Goldenbee Global, Beehive of Learning.